Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add a new slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So there are basically bunch of different ways that you can basically add a new slide to it. So let's suppose that if I want a new slide next to this slide here, I will select this slide and I will right click, and then here you can see that we have bunch of different options that we can do that we can do with the here. Okay, so if I want to add a new slide here, basically I will click on this new slide, and here you can see that we have this new slide here. Okay, and basically let's suppose that if I want to duplicate this slide here, I will just right click and I will click on duplicate, and same slide will be added here. And there is another way to add a slide here, which is like if I wanted to add a new slide in between of these two slides here, I will select this slide, and in the home tab here you can see new slide options. So click on this one. Okay, and basically click on this new slide option, and here you can see that our new slide has been added. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.